If nothing has fundamentally changed except price going up and down because people are buying and selling, why are you guys freaking out?
What's up, crypto crew, and welcome back. Or if this is your first time, I'm Captain Crypto Mite, actively escaping the matrix, scoping out the crypto ocean. So if you like your odds, get on the boat, stay up to date, thumbs up, and join the hunt.
Into the boat!
Crypto crew, by now it's become crystal clear, Kaspa is a polarizing crypto project. Whether it's the controversial opinions of some of Kaspa's devs on social media, the drama of former Kaspa investors suddenly selling off, or just plain hate for Kaspa as an investment, it is simply too difficult to stay neutral on Kaspa. And you know what, crypto crew? The current fear, uncertainty, and doubt, or FUD, for Kaspa is great for Kaspa.
There is no such thing as bad publicity.
Especially since the market is down at the moment. Relish this moment as Kaspa is currently trading under 20 cents at the making of this recording, because even though many Caspians, yours truly included, have wrongly predicted Kaspa to go parabolic in all of 2024, there will come a moment when the Kaspa ship will sail, never to return to these cheap prices again. Prove all things, hold fast that which is good. Kaspa is a proof of work crypto, meaning a digital asset, and like all assets, you need to protect your Kaspa. That's why on this channel, I will continue to encourage you to store your Kaspa offline on a cold storage. My personal favorite is the Tangent wallet, plug and play, easiest to use, and a great way to practice self-custody, and most affordable on top of that. If you wish to order your Tangent wallet today, you can get 10% off, link in the description box below. Thanks so much for your support in advance, and may the Lord Jesus Christ bless you all.
I haven't finished because I've been very busy, but I've been watching a lot of AMAs. Shay, who's one of the core developers for Kaspa, has been talking to everybody, it seems, on YouTube. And this guy is very authentic, very chill and methodical, and he's just an all-around great guy from what I've seen so far.
As we are closing out 2024, crypto crew, Kaspa is becoming a talking point, not just from within the Kaspa community.
For all you guys who are skeptic out there, Marion Bags or John pivoted out of Kaspa, I bought Kaspa at a penny. I really don't care about anyone's opinion. I took profits on it. It is not getting a Coinbase listing. I don't care if you want to disagree, debate. It is not getting a Coinbase listing. You can debate me all you want. I know it's going to come. Don't care. Turbo is more bullish. Memes are very strong. And we have our utility bags packed and we have our meme coins packed. And I am ready and I am trusting my instincts on this one because I know it's going to make me a lot of money in my Discord.
And I'm going to destroy Kaspa because I think Kaspa is a crypto investment that is more likely to go to zero from where it's at today than it is likely to beat Bitcoin, which almost no altcoin even beats Bitcoin over the long term. Kaspa to me looks drastically overvalued today based on what I'm about to show you. And if you're holding Kaspa, you might want to hear all this to decide if you want to keep holding it, because there are some obvious critical problems.
You're late to the party. The time to trade and hold Kaspa was in the bull run. That was your bull run. Will you get another bull run on Kaspa? Probably, but the big growth is already priced in. Do not expect these ladyboys' predictions to come to fruition because it's already big market cap. It's already 4 or 5 billion market cap. And you know, they're calling for another 100x. You know, it will put you Kaspa bigger market cap than Ethereum. For God's sake, this is total nonsense, man. Failing again and again to make a new high. Failing to close above the 20-cent mark. Failing to break the 20-cent mark. These lady boys are calling for $10, $3, $5, man. Let's start with breaking above the 20 cents, for God's sake. How can you be so sure and moonish when the coin is just failing to break the 20-cent mark? Are these people are blind or what?
Your project is the most worthless project that ever existed. I have no idea why it's so much. No one cares. No one is. I'm super excited about going and getting in the Kaspa ecosystem. It's all early people, guys. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Where do you think all this money's coming from? You think it's all these brand new people coming and jumping in this hot, trendy Kaspa meme coin because it's doing so many cool things? 95% of you can't tell me one thing it does other than POW. It's not going to be the next Solana, the next Bitcoin, the next SWE, the next XRP.
Kaspa has a strong community. That is the one thing that's going good for it, and probably a big reason why it has not tanked to below 10 cents already. But aside from that, there's nothing groundbreaking about it right now. The KRC20s, okay, that's popular, it's fine. They still don't have smart contracts. So maybe next bull cycle, we have a whole different story. But as far as this bull cycle, which 2025 is literally a week away, I think there's much better vehicles out there, much better cryptos.
And of course, there are your usual suspects that still hold on to Kaspa for various reasons, one of which specifically I agree with fully. Fundamentally speaking, Kaspa has not changed at all.
If nothing has fundamentally changed except price going up and down because people are buying and selling, why are you guys freaking out? Like, Kaspa's still doing everything it said it was going to do a year and a half ago when you first invested in it, and even more. And if you look at their roadmap and what they're doing, it's getting even better. And so I don't understand why people panic and start trashing the project when the price moves sideways and then it's another coin's turn to pump. If you're going to be in a project and you outline your reasons why you're in the project, don't start shitting on it when it starts consolidating and going sideways. Now, if something fundamentally changes, one of the devs quits, or something falls flat, then sure, reevaluate. But stop just guys, just get out of your emotions for 1 second. That is how people get rich. They buy the fear, right? When people fear sell their bags, smart investors who've done their research come in and they buy them. And they're the ones that make the money on the big run up. While the people who sold because they're afraid of the price going down 20% and staying there for 3 months are panic selling their bags because, oh my God, the project, nothing has changed. It's gotten better. Believe it or not, it's going to get better in 2025. So if you don't like the project, get out of it, but stop talking crap about it. If you love the project, stop panic selling into 20% dips.
Kaspa can bridge the gap between its cutting-edge, decentralized technology and the established world of traditional finance. And that's what Kaspa Key is working on. It's called Warp Core. Kaspa is essentially money peer-to-peer currency, so this will totally suit its purpose of getting more adoption. And there is a lot of hype surrounding ISO cryptos. Just look at the recent rally of HBAR and XLM. So if you want to know more on this subject, I recommend reading their article. The impatient will get punished and the patient investors will get their reward. Impatient investors holding certain cryptos that are not moving at that time, they will sell it for Kaspa, creating a god candle. Kaspa has no reason not to pump. It has the best tech, it will be the fastest crypto ever created. It's the first and only crypto that solves the blockchain trilemma.
Smart contracts are coming to Kaspa within 8 months if all goes well. Aspect and some other devs have been initially funded by KSPR bot to begin work, which will bring smart contracts in the form of a layer 1.5, as Aspect explained it, which is really, really exciting stuff. Again, they're not doing the smart contracts on the base layer, which is why it's going to be a layer 1.5. It's a sort of hybrid of the two, and it's called Sparkle.
The biggest development on the horizon is Project Sparkle, which is the introduction of smart contracts to Kaspa. This upgrade will transform Kaspa from just handling transactions and token mints to powering decentralized apps. Here's another dip buying opportunity. So we saw Kaspa hit an all-time high of just under 21 cents back in August, which was followed by some volatility and sideways trading. The price action recently brought it back up to 18 earlier this month. I think Kaspa still has the potential to run higher than ever. And since my initial call in the Firehouse VIP Discord, we've already seen a solid 5x return. But trust me, this one is far from over. I'm talking about Kaspa.
We've got Marathon Digital mining Kaspa over other proof-of-work coins next to Bitcoin. We've got Grayscale and hedge funds starting to invest into Kaspa. We've got Casplex. We've got the Crescendo fork taking it to 10 blocks per second. And you're bearish on Kaspa right now? If you can't hold, you're never going to be rich, especially in crypto.
More recently, Altcoin Daily, the biggest crypto channel on YouTube, revealed he believes in Kaspa too.
Kaspa is built different from the rest of crypto. Scalability, speed, security, decentralization define this project. This is one of the few proof-of-work coins in the space today, besides Bitcoin and Litecoin. And this is significant because pretty much every coin created today is proof of stake. And yet this coin is so new compared to the proof-of-work coins of the past. The community, the momentum behind this project is noticeable. I think Kaspa is about to surprise a lot of people in this upcoming bull market.
And so, crypto crew, whatever drama there may be within the Kaspa community, whatever FUD there may be at the moment for Kaspa, it is actually great for Kaspa.
There is no such thing as bad publicity.
If you are invested in Kaspa, understand what you hold and hold with conviction. Prove all things, hold fast that which is good.
Stick around.
Fix your mind before you get to the grind. And with that said, let's continue to escape the matrix. Let's continue to be on the lookout for the next big thing here on the crypto ocean. Grow in grace, and let's make some crypto waves. Say aye.